So if you see a spike like this, usually typically we like to see a horizontal line, which means that this product is gonna sell every single month consistently. However, it's tricky, and I'm glad that this shows this chart because it's very tricky to identify the difference between a seasonal product and a semi-seasonal product, right? And really quick, I'm gonna take a break and I'm gonna go over to the whiteboard. And I wanna show you guys this because I want you guys to genuinely understand this because this is a mistake that a lot of people can make. We talk about not launching seasonal products, right? Because what does a seasonal product look like? If this is our graph, a seasonal product will look like this. October to December is this time point right here. Let's call this Christmas lights. And here you see at October, it really starts to peak. You can see at November, it starts to flatline, right? Because nobody orders Christmas lights in the middle of December, right? Well, some last minute people like me do, but this is a seasonal example. Seasonal. Now, people make money with seasonal products. However, we're trying to find products that are going to generate consistent income every single day. Now, let's look at a semi-seasonal. And this candle is actually a really good example of semi-seasonal. As you've seen that trend chart, how it had a spike. Let's go ahead and draw this line. Now, with the semi-seasonal product, it's very easy to get them confused with a seasonal product because you will see a little bit of volatility. However, as long as we're seeing it being consistent like this with these little camel humps is what I like to call them, it's a difference between a pyramid and a candle hump, right? And this is the terminology I like to use. So when you see camel humps, what does that mean? Well, at specific months throughout the year, there's an increased amount of sales. That is okay as long as through here and here and here and here, or the rest of the year, there is consistent sales. This may be Mother's Day, because on Mother's Day, a giftable product that may be selling good is a candle. That makes sense, right? And then this may be Christmas, because a gift that you give your girlfriend or your mom or your sister may be candles as well, right? I know that's what I usually give my mom is candles. She loves candles, right? So as long as this thing is selling every single day, because people use candles throughout their house throughout the year, no matter if they live in Florida or Chicago or where they live. And then during specific seasons or months, it works in unison with a giftable time of the year like Mother's Day, Christmas like we discussed. That is okay. I actually like those type of products. And one of my first products, my most successful product, actually worked just like this. So this is the difference between a semi-seasonal and a seasonal. Whenever you see a pyramid where it's just flat line, boom, it shoots up and then it nosedives and then it goes like that. When you see that trend and you see that chart, you want to stay away from that. But when you see it nice and consistent waves, and then you have the camel humps where you have a few different humps, that's cool. And hopefully you guys grasp that because a lot of people overlook that, and there is a lot of money to be made because where people are like, no, I don't like the inconsistency, no, I don't like the volatility. That's not really volatility, it's a consistent increase in sales during a specific time of the year.